Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the grammar of the fourth chapter, that is a conjunction. Conjunction are of three types. Coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction. Conjunction of three types: coordinating, subordinating, and correlating. Okay. Let us see what is the conjunction first and what are the types and what are the usage. Conjunction are also known as the connector, linker or the link words. So conjunction is also known as connector, linkers as well as link word. We can call it connector, linker as well as the link words. We use conjunction to add word or the group of words or sentence. So, I had to explain you during the compound word. What is conjunction? Conjunction is help us to join two words or the sentence. So there are three types. So that is coordinating, subordinating, correlating. Coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunction. Okay. What are the coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunctions link two group of words that independently make sense. It means one by the word itself gives some meaning, that is independently make sense. It does not need any subordinate words to make a complete sense. Independently, by reading the word itself we can see it will give a meaningful words. That is called coordinating conjunction. What are the coordinating conjunction? It is given here: and, or, for, otherwise, so, but, yet, still, as well as, etc. So these words are called coordinating conjunction. It gives the independent meaning. It will give a independent meaning. So what are the coordinating conjunction? And, or, for, otherwise, so, but, yet, still, as well as, and so on. So many things are there. So these are called coordinating conjunction: and, or, for, otherwise, so, but, yet, still, as well as, etc. Okay. And what are the subordinating conjunction? What is subordinating conjunction? These conjunction help us to introduce the subordinate class that are also used to join subordinate or the dependent class or main class. So these conjunction, it's join the main class or dependent class or subordinate class. So dependent class is also otherwise known as a subordinate. Okay, subordinate class. Subordinate class means they need some more words to complete the sentence. Okay, to give the meaning to the sentence. So they need one more verbs or another one sentence to make it as a meaningful sentence. So in the coordinating conjunction, it gives independent meaning. It does not need any. The word itself gives the meaning. The coordinating conjunction itself gives the meaning. Here they need subordinate. They will add the meaning to the dependent or the main class. Dependent class means they depend on some main class to give a meaning. Okay. So here are the subordinate conjunctions are there: when, to. So first we will discuss this how it gives the meaning independent. I rang up but he did not speak to me. I rang up but he did not speak to me. The word itself has a meaning. The sentence itself has a meaning. I rang up but he did not speak to me. அப்படின்னா நான் ஃபோன் பண்ணேன், அவள் கால் எடுக்கலை. ஸோ இந்த இதில் என்ன கிடைக்கும், நமக்கு மீனிங் கிடைக்கும். அதான் எனது டிபெண்ட் இண்டிபெண்ட் கிளாஸ். அந்த ஒரு சென்டென்ஸை ரீட் பண்ணும் போதுமே என்னது அந்த கிளாஸ் இஸ் நத்திங், இட் இஸ் குரூப் ஆஃப் வேர்ட்ஸ் விச் கிவ்ஸ் அ கம்ப்ளீட் மீனிங். அதில் சப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கும், ப்ரெடிகேட் இருக்கும். அதான் எனது கிளாஸ். அந்த கிளாஸை ரீட் பண்ணும்போது என்னது ஃபுல்லாக மீனிங் கொடுக்கும். சரியா, அதான் எனது மெயின் கிளாஸ். ஓகே, மீனிங்ஃபுல் டிபெண்ட் இண்டிபெண்ட் கிளாஸ். சரியா, சபார்டினேட் கிளாஸ் தான் என்னது டிபெண்ட் கிளாஸ். தே நீட் சம் additional sentence to class to make it into a complete sense. So அடுத்த பாரு, the children was ill so he was admitted in the hospital. The children was ill so he was admitted in the hospital. It has an independent meaning. Okay, so but so and Rahim and Raju are friends, so it joining the two words of it's giving the complete sense. That is called independent class. Okay, here when, though, although, until, since, still, since, till, after, as, before, unless, as long as soon as, as much as. So many things are there in the subordinate class. See, let us discuss the subordinate example. Unless you work hard, you cannot score good marks. Unless you work hard. Unless you work hard, right here. Unless you work hard, you cannot score good marks. See my dear, here unless is a subordinate conjunction. Why I am telling this is a subordinate conjunction? Unless you work hard, it does not give the complete meaning. It needs the main class to make it as a complete sense. This is a main class. You cannot score good marks. So this helps us to join the subordinate class with the dependent class or the main class. Okay, that's why it is called subordinate conjunction. Okay, you understand. I will give one more example. Wait till I return. Wait till I return. So wait is the one and till it's joining. If you say wait, it does not give a complete independent meaning. It's need another class to make it as a complete. So it's joining the two subordinate class. So this is called subordinating conjunction. Okay, understand? Another one, the third one is a correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction, these conjunctions are always used in pair. It won't be alone, it always come as a pair. These two connectors in each sentence that they are related to each other are known as correlating conjunction. They have a relation with each other. So we are calling this as a correlative conjunction. What is the correlative conjunction? Let us see, neither or, either or, and so are called correlating conjunction. Neither nor, either or. Not only but also. Scarcely when, both and, no sooner than, such that. So these are, they have a relationship each other. So this is called correlative conjunction. Okay, that's why it is. We can't use only neither. We have to use both, neither nor, either or. The together we can have to use in a sentence. Then only it will give a complete meaning. Okay, this is all called correlative conjunction. So the conjunction are of three types. What is conjunction? We can call, what we can call conjunction is help us to join two words or a sentence. It's otherwise known as linker, connector, or the link word. There are three types. One is coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction. What are the coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunction will give a independent meaning, and, or, for, otherwise, so, but, yet, still, as well as, and so on. Next, subordinating conjunction. It's help us to join. Why this is called subordinate conjunction? It will join the it need dependent clause or main clause to give a meaning. That's why it is called subordinating conjunction. When, although, though, until, since, still, after, as, before, unless, as long as soon as much. So many things are there. So that is called subordinate conjunction. And correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction. These types of conjunction joining word which will not come alone. It's always come in a pair. It have a relation with each other. That's why it is called as a correlative conjunction. Neither nor, either or, but, not only, but also, scarcely, when, both, and such that. So these they comes in a pair. Okay, we won't use alone. So these are called correlative conjunctions. Okay. Okay, here they had given the functions of conjunctions and their function. See, the word like and, not only, but also, as well as, moreover, furthermore, besides, in addition to. These are the conjunction we will use to add information. You kindly go through your book. See, next one, since, as, for, because, since, then, before that, after that. This use as to indicate the causes and reason. Okay, but it's still, nevertheless, or on the other hand, although, though, even though, however, on the contrary. This express the contrast. Okay, therefore, constantly, when, so that, hence, thus. This help us to show the result or the purpose. Okay, when, while, after, before, till, until, as soon as long as, to indicate the time. If, unless, whether, in case, provided that, it's help us to know the condition. Or, neither or, either nor, otherwise, or else. This help us to express the choice. Likewise, similarly, it denotes the comparisons. Wherever it denotes the place. Okay, so here they had given us the 9 uses, the conjunctions. They are categorized into 9 and they explained as the function. What are the function? Wherever we will use these conjunctions. Okay, I hope you had understand what is conjunction and what are the functions of the conjunctions also. Okay, we will do the book exercise at the next lesson. Thank you, my dear students.